Hi guys, welcome back to Puzzle Out. So in today's video we will be discussing about modulation and a few types of modulations in brief. Usually communication takes place when two people speak or make a gesture. So this is easily possible when the other person is close by. But if we consider the same case for a long distance communication, this is when the problem arises. The speech signals tend to die out gradually, which is called as attenuation of signals. This results in ineffective communication. So in order to overcome this, we use modulation. Now what is modulation? So according to the definition, modulation is the process where one of the properties of the carrier wave like amplitude, phase or the frequency is altered according to the message signal. So in short, modulation means change. It deals with changing the characteristics with respect to the message signal. Let us understand modulation furthermore in detail. Consider yourself throwing a sheet of paper. When you do so, the paper flows according to the air resistance and gradually settles down. We might also observe that this sheet might not have travelled far enough. So instead, if we place a rock inside the paper and then throw it, it travels a longer distance than before. So this is how modulation works in a similar case. Here the paper is the message signal and the stone is the carrier signal. So the message signal or the baseband signal is generally the speech signals that we produce, which are in the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. The carrier wave is the information bearing signal which is of higher frequency than the baseband or the message signal. Types of modulation. Modulation is classified as continuous wave and pulse wave modulation. So in this video we will be looking at continuous wave modulation. So these continuous wave modulation is furthermore divided into amplitude and angle modulation. Angle modulation consists of frequency and phase modulation. Amplitude modulation is also denoted as AM. So here the modulated signal's amplitude changes with respect to the message signal. So the next one is frequency modulation, which is also called as FM. Here for modulated wave, frequency of the carrier wave changes with respect to the message signal. The next one is the phase modulation, which is denoted by PM. So similar to the previous modulation techniques, the phase of the carrier wave changes with respect to the message signal. We will be discussing about these modulation techniques furthermore in detail in the coming videos. Thank you.